Yesterday, you picked a state from the National Geographic Kids website and you filled out and researched information about the site and filled it out on your piece of paper. So now we're going to take this information and we're going to make it into a PowerPoint. So to make it a little bit quicker, I have put a link to your Google Drive beside this video, but you can always go to the little waffle and find it that way as well. And we are going to go over here to where it says new, the plus sign. And before we did a Google Docs, but we're not doing Google Docs this time. We are doing Google Slides. So it's the little yellow box. When I open that up, first thing I'm going to see is a title page. So I want to add the title, which is my state that I researched, Montana. And then where you click for the subtitle, that's going to be your name because this is your presentation. The next thing you're going to see on this side is the themes. So this is basically like your backgrounds. You can pick one of these now. If you exit out and don't want to pick one right now but want to pick one later, if you're just on the blank slide, you see theme right here and you can pull it back up. If you want to just pick one later instead of picking it now, or you decide later you want to change it. So I'm going to go with this one for now and exit that out. Now that I have my title slide, I want to add a new slide. Over here on the left-hand side of my toolbar, I have a plus sign. Now, if I just click the plus, it's going to make a slide with a title and one text box. If I needed something different, the little drop-down arrow by the plus sign gives me a choice of what type of slide that I need. If I accidentally put something in that I don't want, I can just click on that slide and I can hit delete or backspace on my keyboard. It's also very easy if I put my slides in the wrong order just to click and drag and move them to where I want them to be. So the next slide that I'm going to do is my map. So I'm just going to make the slide titling it map for now because the next video is going to tell us how to put the pictures in there. So we're just going to title our slide map and move on to our next slide. Then we're going to have the shape of our state. Again, we'll get the picture later. A new slide. We want the flag of Montana or whatever state you picked. We'll add the picture later. Then we want the fast facts slide. So this is going to be the information that is the nickname, the statehood, population, capital, big city, and the abbreviation. So I would nickname, and then I could do a dash, I could do dots. However, I want to separate it, and I'm going to write in this information. Now, if I spell something wrong and I get the little line, I can right click over it and it tries to help me find what I meant to spell. Treasure, state. Now to go down to the next line, I want to hit enter one time. And I'm going to continue to add in my information on this slide and continue to add my slides until I have all of my information here on my worksheet. And remember, if you're not sure which slides, you can always look at the back and see which slides I'm going to be grading you on. When you are finished with this, then you can go to whatever I have listed on the website if you finish early. And then tomorrow I'm going to show us how to put in the images that we need.